just built this cover out of pallet wood to hide that. That's what's inside. And this is where my washing machine drains. So I mounted a couple boards going this way to the metal frame. Bottom board right here's the bolt wood. Boom, boom. Same on the other side. And then went around and nailed these up with my electric Craftsman. Mounted these boards on the top. I'll use more pallet wood to cover the whole top. Awesome. I love it. And it's going to paint. I'm going to make it look just like this. Same paint. Well, that'll be later. Now all it needs is a top. I think I'm going to make like a wishing well. I don't know. I'll do, give me a comment what you think I should put for a top. Took me a day to make it. Another day to paint everything. I just nailed these trims up.